today we're gonna try to wrap the hood because it's pretty easy, and possibly wrap the door or just this side here. Here's the hood. Obviously, this car is completely mismatched. $2,000. It's actually pretty decent. You wouldn't even be good. It'd just be top paid. Word.
What do you think, bro?
Mierda.
Phantom?
Which one's Panda?
Phantom and Rock.
Oh, right, but like, how much? That's fine. Shall we unveil the wrap?
Yeah, man.
Oh, hold on. Alright. And here is the wrap. Uncircumcised. I'm sorry. Yeah, was it Isle of Man green?
Yeah.
Pretty standard Beamer thing.
It just came out. The G80 came out.
Yes, that. But yeah, we did buy this for the E90. But
Yep.
obviously, we thought to hit a deer.
The deer hit me. False accusation.
Yeah. Physics says the deer hit him too. So.
Allegedly.
Well, allegedly. The deer is still alive somewhere. Allegedly.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is it. Haven't seen many people with this or any. Think we saw one.
Yeah, I just saw one on Reddit, but it was like 5 years ago. So I mean.
Nice over there, Tony, right?
Where?
Over there on the tractor.
You got it?
Just. I need to cut it all the way over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it to you.
Or just come over here. Come towards me. No, just come up here. Alright, cool.
3 S's and Monkey made this fire car. So that's what we're gonna do to this car.
It's gonna take a long time.
But I mean, it's gonna get done. So right now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna unstick it from the bottom, and then we'll work our way. Yeah, the bottom's gonna start sticking onto the layer, and lay it.
You want me to go?
Sticking it to the car.
Oh, you got all of it. Pull it over here. Yeah.
That shit's sticking. Yeah, that's it.
You pull it up some minutes. We haven't pulled it all. We haven't.
All right. I'm good. You good?
So you should either start from here or that way.
Pull it. I need to pop mine out.
Yeah. Alright, just let it down kind of soft and just start stretching it, you know? I got a lot over here. You know? And don't forget the hood, the edge.
I'm good. There you go. I'm just gonna start like that.
Dude, this is hard. Because we got all this gas over here, bro. Hey, bro, you can reach. Pull a you do that, bro. Shit. This is hard. Who the fuck said it was a good idea? Who the fuck? Why did I say we should buy that?
This shit hard. I'm thinking.
You know what we should have done?
What?
Should have taken all that off. All instead of taking all of the white off,
I'll do it
we
by
should.
part.
Yeah. I think that was better. Okay. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What we could try doing, if we already have it off, is kind of like get one side good. You know, like let's say if we both start working on one side,
Yeah.
and then once that side good, we lift up like part of the middle,
Okay.
and then
Okay.
straight down like that. You know. So what
What side do you want?
Doesn't matter. Let's do that side. Let's start with this side. Good. You know what I mean? So, lift up this side. We try to get this part, so like from the middle down.
Yeah.
And then we'll fall off. Don't worry too much on the middle. Wrong side. You know, but like, you know what I mean? Because let's just try to get, let's do it in thirds. So this third, middle, and right.
Okay.
And just so we can do a little bit on the middle. If we can get it to work.
Hey, props to whoever does this for a living, man.
¿Esto qué, güey?
Hey, bro. Shit.
Working, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a good side, bro.
It works, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, just about done. A lot of tugging and pulling back up and fucking stretching. But obviously, there's still a whole bunch of bubbles. And it actually didn't come out too bad. Just finishing out that last corner, just being a little pressed, but it doesn't look as good on camera. But no, because it looks kind of light. It looks kind of dull. But maybe it's because the sun's not out anymore. But that's pretty much a wrap for the hood. But yeah, we're just about there. We're gonna have to still have a lot of work to do. As you can see, there's a lot of little small shit. But yeah, pretty much done. Wow.
I put on.
All right, so we're pretty much done. Finished all the edges. Cut out the things. Obviously, it's a pretty fucked up job, but we probably should have taken those out.
Yeah.
You know, just started cutting some of the material off, started tucking it in, and pretty much it. Pretty much done. Obviously, there's still plenty of work that can be done. Plenty of improvement. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it. Pretty much it for the hood. And we barely had enough material to cover the corner. And we really did.
Carlos.
What are you looking at me for? Damn, bro.
Bro.
I can see your sweat.
Really?
Yeah.
See hard man part.
Come on, dog.
Did I just fucked it up?
Please say you farted.
No.
Word? No. For sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
A little smelly.
Oh, where?
Yeah.
Oh, where? Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. Hood's done. Gonna have to wait to do the rest of the car just because there's rust on that other fender, and we're gonna get new fenders for this. And then we still have a whole bunch of work we gotta do, kind of like clean up these edges and shit, just to make sure it goes on smooth and doesn't have any big fucking wrinkles and imperfections. So, gonna call it night. I mean, right down there.
Yeah.
That's about it.
That's it.
See ya. Peace.